Hey, welcome back. So I got a good deal on this Fiskars real mower. It's like I got like 80 with in box, brand new. So it's come in the box like this. Okay, so I'm gonna assemble this together. Let's try without reading the manual first. So I can see right here the push, the middle, and this one gonna attach to here. So let's get started. As you can see right here, the nuts. It's the front panel. So make sure we got the correct weight. So when you push this, it's gonna show like this. So I have to face at that. In the middle, I guess it's the same, so it doesn't matter which way. So go in here, and you line up the holes together. Tricky part, the nuts. So this gonna from the inside they have matching holes, so it's gonna fit in here. This is gonna go down here to go inside the plastic cover. So if you do it correct, all gonna match up. Okay, so I'm gonna put these two full, and then put this to this reel and see how it's going. After I put the nuts in this, arrange as anything you can find. I have here the number 11. It's matched perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie all four of this. Alright, gear up. So I'm going to remove this right here. Right here too. And see that inside out. Outside, this one inside. So it said put it on the number 3. I don't see any number. Oh, here the inside I have number 3, so gonna line up number 3 here, place here, 3 over there. So I guess it's depends on the length. I mean the height, your height. I gotta do number 4 because here is good for me, number 4. So line up number 4 here, number 4 there, lock it down, and I think it's ready. Okay, and don't forget your just right now here. Because my grass is so high right now, I have to do up to 4 inches. And show you, it's good for you to read this before you get started. Okay, see, first remove any debris. Okay, tall, they won't cut anything more than 6 inches. Okay, go straight, overlap, turn, walking a little bit more, I mean a little bit high and fast. Cut like 1/3 of the grass, so this gonna healthy hay handle haze. If you tall or short, depends. Okay, storage. Okay, clean it, lubricate before once a year before winterize. Okay, let's go outside and test this one. And one more thing I noticed here, some people use, they show us to use a piece of long paper to put like under the blade and push it if the blade cut the paper. It's good. If it's not cutting, you have to adjust right here, left and right, until you got a perfect cut with a piece of paper before. So right now it's gonna try outside. Oh wow, look at this. I try to move it away from some rocks, so I just find out how to make it cut more than 6 inches by like really lift it off, and you can see you can cut more than 6 inches. A little hard, but it does cut more. You see? Ooh. This one way, no go backwards. So let's try lift it up into 4 inches for now. Yes, because my crash is so high. As I compress here, you have to tie it. Nope. I guess this is 4 max. No more. And remember, before you get started, remove any debris on your way, so it won't cut the blade. Okay, I should do a little higher, so like that is better, but let's see, you can move freely. See. Wow, it's working, man. Good exercise, huh? Okay, I'm gonna go around and move my yard. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share if you wanna buy some. I mean, buy one. Alright, thank you.